This video is for anyone putting together a Felder K540s. I don't know if it'll be the same for other models. The instructions are not clear, so I want to show you. Your long bolts go like this on the back. Your rail with the measurements goes here, but what we did wrong, all right, I'm gonna go up under and we should have gone on this bolt hole and not this one. And I assume that this fits other models. For the K540s, you want to be on this hole, because when we went to put the top on, this hole was just that much off. So we have to move this bar out. Now, this bar was in the slider box, all right, as far as I know, unless I moved it when we unpacked, but I think this was in the slider box. So A, we didn't know where this was. We finally found it. B, something to note. This little screw here, it's a T20 screw. It is self-tapping. The hole is not threaded, and it's really hard because it's very thick steel. You have to tap that screw in. That's going to confuse you. These little angle these angle brackets, all right, what we decided to do is put them on first. Then your, I assume, galvanized bolts go there to hold this down. These are adjustable table supports. One of your supports is holding this bracket on. When you're facing the saw this way, well, I'm trying to focus. On the right side, you notice you have, these are number 8 by 20 bolts. And this is a number 8 by 20 bolt, but instead of a number 8 by 20 here, you have your table adjusters. Those are your 3 long bolts. Man, oh God, we spent forever trying to figure this out. So I'm saving you a lot of time here. You owe me a beer, all right? But, and don't call Felder because they don't call you back. That's what we found. Then these 3 bolts are gonna bolt your extension table on. And these are gonna end up going here. And your extension table has, well, huh? Yeah, down here, you see your support bolts, the silver ones, are gonna support it from here. These are shorter because they're gonna end up bolting in here. All right, so I'm just gonna show, this is how it should be, except that you wanna move this out one more. There's another bolt hole under here. You wanna move it out, that one bolt hole. Right now we have it on the wrong hole. And so this comes out, and I'll show you again. You want to be on that hole, not this hole. You want to be on that hole, not this hole. You want to be on, and this is a slotted hole, right? Well, no, that one's okay because it's just these 2 where it bolts to the bracket. You want it out. Yeah, okay. So we're getting there, but we wanted to do a video for anyone that's trying to put a Felder together.